everybody, so again I'm back with another eyeshadow palette review. I know I've done three, I'm going to be doing 3 of these in a row and I'm sorry about that, but I just wanted to get these up. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be reviewing in this video is the Makeup Revolution Tammi Tropical Paradise palette, and it looks like this. I'm not going to be able to use every single shade in this palette, but I'm going to try my best and use majority of the shades. Like I said in my previous video, this isn't like a first impressions because I've used majority of these shades and they are so good. So yeah, this retails for £10. I forgot to mention this is like drugstore and things like that, so it's very affordable. So let's get into the video. So I already have my base done, and it is probably like coming off like my eyes and my nose because like I've got hay fever, if you cannot tell. So I'm sorry about that, but yours. So I'm going to start off with the shade Coconut Cream, which is this white shade right here. These bottom shades are like transition shades for like different kind of skin tones. So this is like fair to light, medium to dark, and then like deep dark, or you can use whatever skin tone you are, but that was her like general gist. So I'm going to start off with this Wish brush, and I'm just going to pack that onto my eyelid as a base. I'm going to start off with running the orange shade into my crease, which is this one right here. This one is called Tropical. Just looks like that, and I'm just going to take this Mermaid blending brush, and again you do not need a lot, so I've just tapped in a few times and you just get the most amazing pigment. The next door shade, which is like this purple colour, it is called Coraline, and again I'm just going to build that into my crease. And then I'm going to take this dark purple, which is called Perpy Perps, and just going to pack that onto the outer corner and work this into my crease. So this. And then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush with the shade Coconut Cream, and I'm just going to blend this in so it doesn't look tragic. Carnival. And I'm just going to pack that on my inner corner. I'm going to go 2 swipes. I'm just going to pack that on to inner corner. You honestly don't need a lot of this product, so. And then for my actual like full lid colour, I'm going to take this gold colour, which is called Golden Sand. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Perpy Perps, and I'm just going to blend that together so it doesn't look horrible. And I'm going to take that shimmer purple colour called Carnival, and I'm just going to pack that on to the front. This has a lot of fallout. And I'm just going to clean up underneath with my powder brush. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Moonlight, which is this white shade. It's iridescent white shade. I'm just going to pack that on to my inner corner. It has like a green reflect into this. So it's really pretty. So, I'll show you up close. So this is what I've created. I'm sorry if my nose was running throughout that video, but I just couldn't help it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys, excuse me, next Wednesday with another video.